Oh, so this is probably a little bit nuts, but I got my mini lathe here, but I haven't got any tooling yet for it. I'm still waiting for it to arrive online. So I got an old cold chisel and I tried to sort of put a bit of a cutting edge on it. You can see that, all that. Well, it's kind of got those return edge there. Bit of an angle there. It's really rough and not really what it's supposed to be, but I figure it's got a pointed angle on the end there and it feels pretty sharp. So I'm going to give it a go and see if it actually cuts. Alright, so I kind of don't even want to talk about how I've got this tool mounted in there at the moment, but it's nice and secure, it's not going anywhere. Well, let's see, will it cut? That's kind of wild. That's literally just a cold chisel that I've, grinded it with a couple of angles on it, and it's cutting. So I want to kind of just show you this cutting tip a little bit closer, and the angle on there, down that way, and the angle on here that sort of return down that way like that, so you get this nice point on the edge here. It did go blunt very quick, so using an old cold chisel doesn't work that well. It is like just the cheapest one that you can get as well. Yeah, it was interesting for an experiment, and that's the part that I cut with it. It doesn't really work that well. You can see it got to about there, then went blunt and kind of just stopped cutting after that. But I suppose if you really wanted to persist at it, you could keep grinding that every time it goes blunt, but it would be really painstaking and annoying.